Hello, in this video I want to show you how to place buildings or objects in Minecraft Legends. And to do this, first you will need to click on a C to enter a buildings mode. Now you will need to choose the building you want to place. In this case we only have stairs. Then hold the right click. You can see that the building pops up, and now we need to click a left button to place a stairs. Let's place it like that. You can navigate with your mouse or a gamepad to adjust the building. Then confirm it. And as you can see, the stairs are just placed like that. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.